Hey there, I'm Elaine and I'm here to help you play saxophone better. This is my all-time favorite warm-up exercise and I want to introduce it to you. The scale in thirds, which is to say you play every other note and skip back down. So here's what the first part of it sounds like. This is in C for a saxophone. So you can see we started on the root, so root third, second fourth, third fifth, fourth sixth, fifth seventh, sixth octave, seventh ninth, and then we're down to the octave, and we continue down. Sixth, seventh, fifth, sixth, fourth, fifth, third, fourth, second, and then end it on the root. So now we're going to talk about the arpeggios part of this exercise. So we're going to play the major arpeggio, 2 octaves, root third fifth, root third fifth. Then coming down, we're going to play the arpeggio based on that fifth note. So if you had started it from the fifth, we would have 5, 7, and then 2, and then 4. That sounds like... That's the dominant 7th arpeggio, which is the arpeggio starting on the 5th note of the scale. And we're going to play this coming down. So now we put these two sides of the exercise together, the scale in thirds up and down, and then the grand arpeggio up and down. So that's what it sounds like in the key of C, and of course we should be playing this in all keys. So just some things to point out about this. You can articulate it in many different ways. I would suggest you practice articulating every note. There's a rhythmic aspect of articulation. One is just being able to start a note. The other is being able to start a note at the right time. And also there's a little bit of interference in when you're starting the note and when you're ending the previous note. And so we want to learn to minimize the stuff in between the pitches.